We're checking out these Raxiom Axial Series LED fog lights designed to fit the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JTs. These are going to be a perfect option for Gladiator owners who want to upgrade their factory fog lights for improved visibility, a slick modern look, and enhanced durability. These LED fog lights are engineered to deliver exceptional performance in challenging conditions. The lights feature bright LEDs that provide a crisp, clear beam of light, significantly improving visibility during inclement weather or nighttime driving. With a plug-and-play design, these fog lights integrate seamlessly with your Gladiator's existing wiring for a hassle-free installation that we'll show you here in a minute. They are built with a modern black housing and these clear lenses, giving your Jeep an upgraded appearance. Designed to meet stringent quality standards, these lights are DOT approved for street use, ensuring they comply with the road safety regulations. Whether you're navigating a foggy trail or driving through some heavy rain, these lights are going to be up to the task. Now, these LED fog lights are crafted with durability and performance in mind. They feature these tough polycarbonate lenses that resist impacts and scratches, ensuring long-term clarity and reliability. The housings are made from this heavy-duty material with a weatherproof seal to prevent moisture and dust intrusion, allowing these lights to perform reliably even in those extreme conditions. Now, these rugged components are designed to withstand both off-road abuse and everyday wear and tear. Now, as far as the pricing goes on these fogs, they're going to come in right around that lower $100 price range, making them an affordable upgrade for enhancing your Gladiator's lighting performance and aesthetics. Now, when it comes to the install on these fog lights, it's going to be pretty straightforward thanks to their plug-and-play design. So on our difficulty meter, this install comes in at a very simple 1 out of 3 wrenches, making it a beginner-friendly job, and the process should take you about 1 hour or less to complete right there in your driveway. You simply remove the old factory fog lights, connect the new ones to your factory plug, and secure them right into place. Now, let's see exactly how these go on with an install video from one of our ExtremeTerrain.com customers.
A pair of diagonal cutters. We had our knife, little pick. You're gonna use a tool to heat shrink the wrap around the wires, snips, and crimpers. All right, guys, so we're up here at the front, right behind the fog lights. We're gonna be removing these 6 plastic push pins. As we remove them here, just find yourself a little cup or a nice spot to put them in. All right, so after you get those plastic push pins taken out, remove the back plate. Should that expose the rear of the fog lights here? This setup is for 4 bolts. Disconnect. All right, and we're coming out. Okay, so we got our new one. We'll go ahead and get it aligned on the alignment pins. 7 millimeters are going back in. Some of this stuff is probably going to be based more on feel than what you can actually see. And just tighten them all back up again. All right, so my application actually requires us to connect the 2 lines because in the packaging it came with a different style. So here we're just gonna clip off the old. Give ourselves a little bit of meat in case we want to put these guys back on. Clean up these connections a little bit. Gonna need some connectors. Shows to go with the weatherproof ones with the shrink wrap on them already. Connector on. Connectors, make sure we got a good attachment there. Other side. Alright, so we're just making our connections here. Alright, we look pretty good there. We did end up having to use some extra tools here. As you saw that I ended up with the crimpers, my little heat shrink tool here. Alright, so we're back in here. There we have it.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Raxiom Axial Series LED fog lights for the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JTs. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.